Welcome to PUPT.net. This website is used by the whole PUPT community. From announcements, news and events up to online services offered. So PUPT think on how to make it more accessible for the users, especially for the students to keep in touch to the university. Now, let's start. Of course, before using the said mobile app, you must download it first in the PUPT website under Download Android Applications for PUPT link. After installing it, you can now use the mobile app. Click the logo PUPT, which serves as the icon of the mobile app. In the home section of the mobile app, you can see the Announcements button, News and Events button, About PUP button, To-Do List button, FAQs button, Literary button, Extras button, and Contact Us button. Let's focus first on the Announcements button. Here in the Announcements section, you can see the announcements being viewed in the PUPT website. You can only view announcements if you have an internet access. And you can click the refresh button to refresh the list of announcements. Let's now go back to home section and click the news and events button. This section is just like the announcements section, where you can view the latest news and events happening inside the campus from the website. On this list, you can only see the titles of the articles posted. When you click on an article title, you can now read the whole article. Like the announcements section, you can only view news and events if you have an internet access. And you can click the refresh button to refresh the list. Now, let's see the About PUP section. On this section, you can see some facts about PUPT like the PUP hymn and many more. You can view this anytime you want as long as you have the app, because it is an offline service. Next, let's click on the To-Do List button. This section lets you create a list of the things you need to do. Let's create a sample. Let's entitle it as Sample. You can set it if it's already done or not. You can also set its priority to low, medium or high. Of course, you can set the date and time the thing should last. And click the Submit button. You can now see it on your list of to-do. You can also check or uncheck if it is already done. Let's go back to the home section and click the FAQs button. On this section of the mobile app, you can ask questions regarding your concerns about the campus or the services. First, put your name and next your question on the boxes provided. Your question will be submitted to the admin, and if it is already answered, it will be posted on the FAQ section of the website. Again, you can only use this if you have your internet connection. Let's now click on the Literary button. The concept of this section is just like the FAQ section, but on this, you can submit a literary you made. Fill up the boxes shown and your literary will be submitted in the admin. The chronicler will read first your literary before the admin posts it on the website, and your literary can be read in the university's newspaper. Again, you can only use this if you have your internet connection. Second to the last is the Extras button. This section is created for the convenience of everyone, because you can easily jump off to another mobile application developed by the PUPT like the iReport. We also added a little recreation game here, entitled Sudoku. Last but not the least is the Contact Us button. This section gives you information on how to contact the PUPT and also on how to locate the campus. We also add here the name and contact information of the developer of the said mobile application.